my friends. Let's learn something new today. Okay, let's have a look at today's lesson. And it's all about time travelers, mastering existence verbs. Welcome to a journey through time with English verbs. We'll explore how to express existence across different time periods. And once again, the lesson has been prepared by Alfred Grobler. Okay, let's dive into it. Talking about existence through time. Past simple, there was, there were, for completed past events. Then present perfect, there has, there have been, connecting past to present. And then future simple, there will be, for future predictions. These structures help us describe what existed, has existed, or will exist. Guys, this is important to try and get these things right, okay? For past simple, there was or there were. The present perfect, has been or have been. And of course, the future simple, there will be. Okay, let's have a look at past existence. Wow. Righto, guys. Firstly, singular, there was a big tree in the garden, huh? Because there's only one big tree, so it is singular. Plural is more than one, so there were many people at the concert. And then questions, were there any problems with your homework? Negatives, there wasn't any milk in the fridge. Right, guys? To get these over here correct is also important, eh? Really, I know I'm saying it in every lesson, but yes, if you want to speak English fluent or become fluent in speaking English, it's important to make notes of these things and to remember them. Okay, let's look into present perfect existence. Singular, once again, statement. There has been a lot of rain this week. Plural, statement. There have been many changes in the city. Questions. Have there been any accidents? Negatives. There hasn't been any news from them. Once again, guys, you can see it's singular, plural, questions, negatives. That's basically in all of them. But yes, it's important to get your singular and plural right, because in many languages there is no difference between singular and plural, but it's important in English to get your singular and plural correct. Okay, let's look at future existence. Wow, what a nice classroom, hey? I wonder how many of you've got a classroom like this. That is really nice. Okay, guys. Firstly, statements. There will be a meeting tomorrow. There will be many opportunities in the future. Questions. Will there be enough food for everyone? Will there be time to finish our project? And negatives once again. There won't be any classes next week. Yay, that's like good news for a school, hey? Okay, there won't be enough tickets for everyone. Honestly, guys, this is really a very nice classroom. I can imagine learning in a classroom like this. Oh boy, I can tell you, the technology is really improving. Okay, you have learned a whole lot by now, and it's time once again to test your knowledge and have a look. Righto, guys, here it is once again. Practice fill in the blanks. Okay, here's a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them again. Only 4. You're lucky. I'm cutting down a lot on the amount of work that you have to do in your notebook or whatever. But once again, guys, pause the video, grab your notebook, and try and complete the fill in the blanks or complete the sentences as good as you possibly can. And like always, the first one is given to you. There was a fire last night. Okay, fire. So only one. So it's going to be there was because it's also past, right? Okay. So in other words, you can look at the clues in the sentence to decide which one it will be. Right, guys, take your time. And if you are stuck, just rewind the video a little bit. But please try and do it as good as you possibly can.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, guys, I assume that you paused the video and you did it all. You've done all the, answered all the, or completed all the sentences over there. Now, I'm quite sure that you're quite anxious to see how many you had correct. Okay, guys, let's have a look at it. Check your answers. Right, it came out correct this time. Okay, the first one was given to you. Let's go look at the next one. There have been many tourists in the city recently. Right. There will be a party next Friday. And of course, were there any good books in the library? How, hi, library. Guys, where do you still find a library lately in today's world, eh? Everything is just on AI, and libraries is almost something of the past. I think in the very near future, you won't even see libraries anymore. It'll be extinct, right? But anyhow, guys, I hope you had it all correct. And if you did, like always, give yourself a big pat on the back. Go out to your favorite coffee shop or your favorite place, have a nice hamburger or a nice coffee or whatever the case might be. And while you're enjoying your coffee, think about the person that made all this for you. And how about buying that guy a cup of coffee once a month or so? Thanks for supporting. Okay, let's have a look at describing changes over time. Describing changes over time. Let's look into it. Past. There was a small village here 50 years ago. There were only a few students in our class last semester. Present perfect. There have been many new buildings constructed since then. There has been an increase in enrollment this year. Future. There will be a shopping mall built next year. There will be a new building added to our campus soon. Great. As we have reached the end of the lesson, let's go and look at the key takeaways. Firstly, master all forms. Practice positive, negative, and question forms, right? Secondly, mind the time frame. Choose the right form based on when things happened. That's like I said to you, you saw me just now. I was looking at the sentence before deciding which one to choose, hey? What singular and plural? Match was and were and has and have with the noun. Keep practicing these structures to talk confidently about existence in different time periods. Guys, once again, practice, practice, practice. If you don't practice, why even bother learning? And please, guys, I think I still firmly believe that if you watch all my videos and you do the work that's been given to you over here, and you can even find some more to do, I think you will really become fluent in your English. So guys, with that said, thanks for watching, and see you in the